You've got to have goals in life. You know, if life's going to be worth something, you've got to have goals. You've got to have something to seek for.
Do you recall when you first set a goal for yourself?
Yes, when I said I wanted to be a chemist. And I decided that really in the third year at the technical school, because it was the only subject I really adored. I couldn't get enough of it.
What's the achievement that you're most proud of?
I think of turning an ancient chemical company into a successful, internationally respected high technology operation.
Reg loved innovation. He loved doing things that were new that no one else was doing.
Reg was always looking at new products, new ideas. And I think that's really the driving force behind the company, is that we've looked at innovative products and research really to back ourselves.
Our Whiteley business is a business that respects people. We're a business that works with people. We want to contribute.
We're not here for the short-term gain. We're actually here to improve healthcare, and we do care about our staff. They are extremely important to us.
We're a brand who knows genuinely what we're doing, because we genuinely do the research to genuinely help people. And if we can't meet our own internal standards, we don't do it.
We like really to get into the science and really prove our products and show what they can do scientifically.
I keep reinforcing to Greg that the skills we have in our laboratory in Tomago are exceptional.
The level of innovation we're doing is yielding fruit. We're opening up new doors all the time.
We have a fantastic culture with a very ethical business that's looking at improving healthcare and everything that we touch.
The one piece that stands us aside from all of our competitors is that we are the only manufacturer who is local.
Family, innovation, genuine innovation, and collaboration. I think those three things drive us harder than anything else.
The future for the business is bigger, better, stronger.
I think the big challenges for Whiteley is growing pains.
We've nearly doubled our staff from the start of COVID to where we are now. We have people full-time in New Zealand, we have people in every state of the Commonwealth. There's an array of platforms. Everywhere we look, we've got opportunity.